have a job interview this morning. If I wasn't already stressed enough. Found out I left half the outfit that I was going to interview in. And now, I'm going to wear this $4 shirt that I bought at H&M yesterday that if you look at it closely, it's not even, this side is baggy and this side is straight. I'm going to do the best I can. I don't know what I'm doing with my hair. Anyway, it's okay. I'm just gonna go and count it all joy. Anyhow, I'm going with my $4.99 t-shirt. I'm gonna knock this thing out. Getting my hair off of my personal training certificate that I haven't pulled out of here even just once. Hey guys, so I am about to go in here and work out, but I just wanted to stop first and just explain to y'all that, you know, you don't always gonna feel like there's, right now I guess I'm going through I am going through the hardest time I've ever had in my life. And because of that, you know, there's lots of emotions, lots of up and down feelings, and I definitely don't feel like working out today. I just don't feel like doing anything today. But you've got to remember that, you know, you've got to continue, you've got to let life go on, because the only way you get past these hard times, the only way you get through these rough moments is to just keep going and to make the best of every moment. And instead of allowing life to like stress you out, and instead of worrying about the what ifs or what's going to happen or what, just know that God has everything in his hands. And you're going to be okay, and you got to get through it. And if you have the right attitude, and if you have the right spirit about things, then it's always going to work out good. So I am going to go in there, and I am going to do this workout, and I'm going to have a good attitude about it, and I'm going to go in excited about doing it and get it done. And I know that I will leave feeling better. My mind will be cleared, and the rest of the day is going to be a great day. So yeah, let's just keep going. Okay, so I'm gonna use this app. Let me see. Let me get out of it so I can get back in it. Fitting and Cook. I don't know if you can see it. And it's a really cool little app. You go right here. You can click on whatever you want to do. I clicked on quick and easy because I'm just quick and easy like that. Like, because I don't like cooking, and so anything I do is going to be quick and easy. Anyways, okay, so I'm going to make a quick Tex-Mex Enchilada Burger. And all I need, which is one of the things that sold me on it, it tastes good. I mean, it sounds good, but also you only need. Well, it says lean ground bison or high quality meat. And I'm not a beef girl, so I don't really even know what that means. But there was no bison, so instead I just got lean meat. So we're gonna see how this works out. It's 96% lean and 4 fat. So, and then a green bell pepper. 3 tablespoons of homemade enchilada sauce, and I don't have that, so I'm going to use the can, because it does say or can. Obviously anything scratch is healthier. Scratch. I'm not a scratchy person. Anyways, okay, garlic powder and onion powder. And I am super organized, so I know exactly where everything is. Garlic powder. And I hope I have onion powder, CPH. Onion powder. And a pinch of sea salt and a pinch of pepper. I'm going to use my pink Himalayan salt and my regular pepper. See how it tastes. Add cheese. I'll just have to make sure I put that in my macros when I do it. Done. I'm gonna add a tomato. It's like hard to see how it tastes, to know what it tastes like 'cause it's so hot, but I think it's actually pretty good. Okay. It's definitely a good burger, and it was really easy.